Hello everyone. Today, we are going to demonstrate a complete and efficient AI-enhanced development workflow. First, we start with the story card to clarify the requirements. With clear requirements, we check the Aupro platform for existing solutions. If a similar solution is found, we can further confirm the solution details and reuse it. Next, we enter the prep phase. A key step here is using Aupro to generate project memory, which is crucial for building an accurate structured context. Then, we generate the structured context. There are two paths. First, if there's no matched solution, we use Aupro's smart context generation directly. Second, if a solution exists, we'll use this solution, combined with our business information, to generate a highly customized Aupro structured context. Of course, the AI-generated context isn't the final step. We'll carefully review and fine-tune it to make sure it 100% reflects our requirements. When the context is finalized, we get to the most exciting part. We use this golden context to generate the code. After the code is generated, we still perform a final manual review. In our experience, by following this process, the AI-generated code almost perfectly matches the description in the structured prompt, and the quality is very high. And with that, all checks are complete, and our AI-enhanced development workflow is finished. Thanks for watching.